Hey everybody, good morning. Happy Vlogtober day at number 10. It is a beautiful Monday morning and right now I am headed to the school to get some paperwork and things ready for one of my instructors that will be teaching today. So I'm going to get things ready for her so that when she gets to the classroom, everything is already there for her. And then I just have a couple errands to run today, but I plan to be in the kitchen quite a bit today. We're getting some work done on our house. So the construction workers, they're going to be, well, they're there already right now this morning. And it's 9:15. They're there nice and early. They're getting ready to get started on rebuilding a part of our house, one of our balconies. And so they're going to be in and out of our house quite a bit. I don't know what the noise level is going to be like. I'm not sure yet. So I'm going to try to be in the kitchen as much as possible because, you know, that's what I do. I have so many great low carb recipes that I have to present to you guys over the next few weeks. And so I'm like, oh, this is a fine time for us to be getting this done because I want to be in the kitchen cooking. So I'll find out today what the noise level is going to be like at home, because if it's too much, of course, I can't do any recording. So we shall see, unless I record and do a lot of voiceovers, which sometimes works, but I also like to talk to you guys. It's almost like face to face in the camera as well. So we'll see. But anyway, I'm headed to the school. I'm going to get this done and I'll check back in with you guys throughout the day. But thanks for joining me today for this fabulous Monday. Let's make it a good one. Yeah. It's closed? Okay, everybody. So came out to the library again to try to get in, and it's a staff day today. They are closed. So second day trying to get to the library. So anyway, there is a bookstore around the corner here. I'm hoping that they're open. I know they're an extension of our library system out here. So I am hoping that they are open and I can just at least go in and browse around a little bit. I'm with my little mini me right here. Say hi. Hi. So yeah, she's a senior now, so she gets out a little early. But anyway, I'm hoping the bookstore over here is open so we can at least do a little bit of browsing. If so, I'm gonna bring you guys with me. Bookstore is closed. It's unfortunate. Can't win for losing, huh? All right, it's a pretty day, fabulous day to go book shopping, but anyway, okay, we're out. Hey everybody, so I am back home right now and it is late. It is 9:23 at night. I've had a busy day. We'll have to talk about it. So right now I'm getting ready to make me a snack, not for now, but I am making a snack that I can put up for tomorrow, my family and I. Did any of you ever grow up eating cucumber with vinegar, salt, and pepper? And that's it. Fabulous snack. And so we have these little mini cucumbers right here. I'm going to cut them up, take off the skins, cut them up, and then I'm going to add a little bit of vinegar, add a little salt and some pepper, and then you let that sit overnight. Oh my goodness. It is like a fabulous snack. So we would usually do this with cucumber or tomato, or cucumber and tomato all together. And then sometimes, you know, if you want to, you can add a little onion in there too and a little olive oil. And you got like a nice little cucumber, tomato, onion salad. So delicious. So I'm just going to show you guys how I put this snack together. I grew up eating this, and my girls have grown up eating it now, and it's just a nice little like healthy snack, and it is so satisfying. So if this is something that you guys used to eat, let me know in the comments below. I'd love to know if you guys were indulging in this as well. But anyway, I'm going to get ready to put this together, and I'm going to show you guys how I do it. All right, so I'm going to use 4 cucumbers. going to add some salt and pepper. Make sure I go easy on the pepper. Last time I made this, I put entirely too much pepper in there. Didn't realize the end was so big. We all dumped like so much pepper in there. I still made sure we ate it. We still ate it. Okay. Cucumber overboard. I'm gonna toss that up really well. Just make sure salt can gets all over them. Taste one. Good stuff. And then we're gonna add some vinegar. And mix that up. Now you wanna make sure that the cucumbers are submerged in the vinegar so it can soak up all of that goodness. And you guys, this is just a great little snack. I love it. My family loves it. And you can use apple cider vinegar if you like. Just regular old vinegar, that's good for us. So, this is better once it is sat overnight. Let it sit overnight in the refrigerator. A little bit more salt. Let this sit overnight in the refrigerator, you guys, and it is so delicious. Okay. All right, and that's it. Keep going. And that's it. One of my favorite little childhood snacks. Okay, everybody, I am so tired, but before I go to bed, I have got to wash my pumpkins. I feel like I need to hurry up and preserve them before they start to go bad. So I'm gonna wash these really quickly, and I'm gonna have to let them air dry. But I'm just gonna show you all how I wash my pumpkins before I get ready to spray them with the gloss. So if you're new to my channel and you've never seen this process, this is what I do to preserve my pumpkins for decorating. I like to use fresh, real live pumpkins for decorating, and so I start off by washing them with a nice mild gentle soap. So I'm using Dawn, of course, and I'm gonna let these sit out to dry. But the first step in preserving your pumpkins is to make sure that you wash them really well. So I'm gonna show you how I do this. it for today's video. As you see, I did not get in the kitchen like I had planned today and do any of the cooking that I wanted to do. So I had planned on making this pack of pork chops. My mother used to make a pork chop casserole, and so that was my plan with the pork chops today. It's pork chops and rice. So I was gonna make that traditional version and then make a low carb version using cauliflower rice for all of my low carb subscribers out there. So anyway, I didn't get to that today, so hopefully I will get to it before the week is out. So be on the lookout for that recipe. It is fabulous. But that is it, guys. Thank you so much for joining me for another video. I have got my tea right here. I'm getting ready to head upstairs, finish editing this video so I can get it out to you guys. And yeah, I hope you all enjoyed today's vlog. It is always my prayer that you and your family have a blessed and a prosperous day. And I'm going to talk to you guys in the next video right here on Sincerely Legenia. Bye, guys.